Hi. Well, here we are already at week 12. We have 16th week is our last week of class, and that's the week we have our final exams. So this week we have the urinary system. Next week we have the reproductive system, and then we end the semester with bones and muscles. So this week, your assignments are to read the chapter as usual and fill in your notes as you look at the chapter outline. You have two interactive physiology videos that you're going to be looking at in the MyLab and Mastering website. One deals with the urinary system, and the other talks about the fluids, electrolytes, and acid-base balance, which these are very important for the body to stay in homeostasis or balanced and healthy. You have your practice test this week on Sunday because we don't have an exam, and the lab material will be your structures for the urinary system. So with that said, this is a fairly short video this week. If you have questions, send me a message to my inbox, and I hope you have a good week.